Are you tired of waking up several times a night just to use the bathroom? For those managing diabetes, this constant disruption can be exhausting, affecting your sleep quality and overall well-being. Feeling perpetually tired may be impacting your mood, health, and daily life. But is there a straightforward way to address this? The great news is, yes. Certain vitamins can help ease this problem effectively and affordably. These natural options offer a cost-effective way to support your health, much like investing in quality insurance. Imagine finally enjoying a full night's rest, free from those annoying, sleep-stealing interruptions. In this video, I'll introduce 5 key vitamins that may help reduce the frequency of nighttime bathroom trips. These are simple, budget-friendly solutions that could transform your sleep, without costly treatments or devices. Plus, investing in your health now might save you money down the line by avoiding costly treatments and preventing complications. Stay with me to the end, as I'll also share 3 extra tips that can make a significant difference in your daily life. But before we continue, hit the like button if you love health content. Vitamin 5. Vitamin D. Are you constantly feeling tired, low on energy, and waking up throughout the night to use the bathroom? It might surprise you, but a lack of vitamin D could be the reason behind it all. Vitamin D doesn't just support bone health, it plays a bigger role in your overall well-being than you might think. Research has shown that low vitamin D levels can aggravate diabetes symptoms and increase nighttime trips to the bathroom. And let's face it, sleepless nights are tough enough, especially when you're managing blood sugar levels. The good news? Boosting your vitamin D can be a game changer. Getting more vitamin D is simple. Spend 15 to 20 minutes in the sun daily, allowing your body to produce the vitamin naturally. If sunlight is limited where you live or you have a busy indoor lifestyle, vitamin D supplements are an effective alternative. It's like having a health boost in your back pocket, giving you peace of mind no matter the circumstances. Did you know there are now wearable health devices that can monitor your vitamin D levels? Thanks to advancements in technology, keeping track of your health has never been easier. If you're looking to boost your vitamin D without depending only on sunlight or supplements, here's a quick recipe. Blend a fresh egg yolk with 200 milliliters of orange juice. Yes, you read that right, egg yolks are among the best natural sources of vitamin D. Just 1 free-range egg yolk mixed into freshly squeezed orange juice makes for a simple, fast, and surprisingly delicious drink. Vitamin 4. Magnesium. If you find yourself waking up repeatedly during the night, frustrated by a lack of restful sleep, magnesium might be the key you're missing. Often overlooked, magnesium is a powerhouse mineral that keeps your muscles relaxed and promotes a sense of calm throughout your body. Many people don't realize that it also helps regulate blood sugar and supports kidney health, which is especially important for diabetics. Healthy kidneys can reduce the urge to urinate frequently at night, making uninterrupted sleep more attainable. Magnesium is essential for hundreds of bodily functions, from supporting nerve health to maintaining a steady heartbeat. Despite its importance, many people fall short in their magnesium intake, experiencing symptoms like fatigue, irritability, and restless sleep. For diabetics, this deficiency poses additional challenges, as low magnesium levels can disrupt blood sugar control and hinder proper bodily function. By boosting your magnesium intake, you not only aid in blood sugar stability but also help your kidneys manage fluid balance more effectively. Imagine how much better you'd feel with restful, uninterrupted sleep. Getting enough magnesium is easier than you might think, and it doesn't require expensive supplements or complex gadgets to monitor your levels. Many affordable, simple food choices can boost your magnesium intake naturally, helping you save on potential medical costs down the road. Green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are excellent magnesium sources and are easy to add to everyday meals. Think of it as a small but smart investment in your health today that can yield significant benefits tomorrow. For an easy, relaxing way to increase your magnesium intake, try a warm almond milk smoothie before bed. This soothing drink combines magnesium-rich ingredients to help you unwind. Simply blend 1 cup of almond milk, half a banana, and a tablespoon of flax seeds. Enjoy this tasty, calming drink in the evening to support restful sleep and overall wellness. Little habits like this can make a big impact on your health, so why not give it a try? By incorporating more magnesium into your diet, you're supporting better sleep, improved blood sugar control, and a higher quality of life overall. Vitamin 3. Vitamin B12. Ever wake up feeling completely drained, even after a full night's sleep? For many people with diabetes, this lingering fatigue along with frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom could indicate a vitamin B12 deficiency. This essential vitamin is critical for energy production and maintaining nerve health, both of which help keep you alert and well rested. Without enough B12, it's like running a car on low fuel. You simply don't have the energy to get through the day, and managing diabetes becomes even more challenging. Vitamin B12 is especially vital for diabetics, as it supports red blood cell production and helps protect the nervous system, which can be affected by high blood sugar. Without adequate B12, symptoms like tiredness, numbness, tingling in the hands and feet, and even memory problems may arise, all too common in those with diabetes. Ensuring you get enough B12 can help you feel more energized and protect your overall health. And let's face it, no one wants to deal with constant sluggishness or the discomfort of diabetic nerve pain. One of the best things about vitamin B12 is that it's easy to find in common foods. You don't need expensive health devices or fancy supplements to get your B12 fix. Just a few simple changes to your diet can make a big difference. Foods like eggs, fish, and dairy products are rich in B12, and they're easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Think of it as making a solid investment in your long-term health, just like a reliable health insurance plan. The small effort you put in now can save you from bigger issues and costs down the road. For a quick and tasty way to boost your B12 intake, here's a simple egg and spinach scramble that you can whip up for breakfast. All you need is 2 eggs, a handful of fresh spinach, and a little bit of cheese. Scramble the eggs in a pan, add the spinach as they cook, and finish with a sprinkle of cheese. It's a delicious, easy meal that's packed with vitamin B12, and it'll set you up with the energy you need to take on the day. Plus, it's a great way to support your overall health without breaking the bank. By making sure you get enough vitamin B12, you'll not only feel more energized and focused, but you'll also be supporting your body in managing diabetes. With just a few simple dietary adjustments, you can protect yourself from those frustrating symptoms, improve your sleep, and feel more like yourself again. Vitamin 2. Vitamin C. You probably think of vitamin C whenever someone mentions immunity, right? It's famous for helping to fight off colds, but did you know it plays a much bigger role in your overall health, especially for diabetics? This powerhouse vitamin is crucial for reducing inflammation in the body, protecting blood vessels, and supporting kidney function. All of these are key factors when it comes to controlling diabetes and cutting down those frequent bathroom trips at night. If your kidneys are working better, you won't feel that constant need to get up and go during the night, allowing you to get the restful sleep you need. For diabetics, vitamin C can also be a huge help in managing blood sugar levels. It acts as a powerful antioxidant, which helps fight off the oxidative stress caused by high blood sugar. This means that when you get enough vitamin C, you're giving your body a fighting chance to stay balanced and healthy. And we all know how much better life feels when you're not constantly dealing with the ups and downs of blood sugar spikes. Plus, by supporting your immune system and keeping inflammation low, vitamin C helps your body recover faster from any infections or injuries, which is especially important for diabetics who might struggle with slower healing. The great thing about vitamin C is how easy it is to get from everyday food. You don't need to rely on expensive supplements or fancy treatments to make sure you're getting enough. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, as are vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli. This makes it simple to integrate more of this vitamin into your diet without breaking your budget. Think of it as an investment in your health that will help lower your need for costly treatments or doctor visits in the future. After all, keeping your body strong now can save you both time and money down the road. If you want to try a delicious and easy way to get more vitamin C in your day, here's a refreshing citrus salad that's perfect for any meal. Just combine orange slices, a few pieces of grapefruit, and a handful of spinach. Drizzle with a little olive oil and sprinkle some almonds on top for a crunchy, nutritious boost. Not only will this salad help you get your daily dose of vitamin C, but it's also packed with fiber and healthy fats, which are great for keeping your blood sugar stable throughout the day. Vitamin 1. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is often overlooked, but it's a real game changer when it comes to helping diabetics manage their health and get a better night's sleep. If you've been battling those exhausting nighttime trips to the bathroom and waking up feeling like you haven't slept at all, vitamin E might just be the secret weapon you need. It's well known for its powerful antioxidant properties, which protect your body from the damaging effects of high blood sugar. For diabetics, this is crucial because oxidative stress can lead to complications like nerve damage and kidney problems, two issues that often contribute to frequent urination at night. But here's where vitamin E really shines. It helps improve circulation and supports your cardiovascular system, which can benefit those dealing with diabetic complications. Better circulation means healthier blood vessels, which directly impacts how well your kidneys function. When your kidneys are working properly, they can better regulate fluids, reducing that constant urge to get up in the middle of the night. Imagine finally getting a full night's sleep without interruption, waking up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. It's a small change that can make a huge difference in how you feel, both physically and mentally. Getting more vitamin E into your diet doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. In fact, there are plenty of simple, affordable ways to make sure you're getting enough of this crucial vitamin. Nuts, seeds, and leafy green vegetables are all excellent sources of vitamin E, and they're easy to incorporate into your meals. By adding just a handful of almonds or sunflower seeds to your snack routine, or tossing some spinach into your dinner, you'll be giving your body a boost of vitamin E that can help protect your health in the long run. It's like investing in your health with a smart plan. Making these small choices now can help avoid the high cost of treatments and complications later. For a quick and easy recipe to increase your vitamin E intake, try this delicious avocado and spinach smoothie. Just blend half an avocado with a handful of fresh spinach, a tablespoon of sunflower seeds, and 200 milliliters of almond milk. This creamy, nutrient-packed smoothie is not only loaded with vitamin E, but also provides healthy fats and fiber to keep your blood sugar levels steady throughout the day. It's the perfect drink to enjoy in the morning or as a mid-afternoon snack, helping you feel energized and ready to take on whatever the day brings. By prioritizing vitamin E in your diet, you'll be supporting your body's ability to fight off oxidative stress, improve circulation, and keep your kidneys working at their best. This simple change can lead to better sleep, fewer bathroom trips, and more energy to live your life the way you want. It's an easy step toward better health that can pay off in so many ways. Before we wrap up, I've left a playlist on the screen with some amazing videos about how to eat better when managing diabetes. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. There are tips in there that could make a big difference in your day-to-day life. Go ahead, click on it, and watch it right now. I'll see you there.